Today, this kind of video is trending all over social media, so I'm going to show you how you can create videos like this easily. Today, I'll be using Renoise. I've been using Renoise for the past few months, and recently they launched their new Canvas feature. So today, I'm going to try out Renoise Canvas. First of all, you have to go to the Canvas page and create a new project. Once your project is created, you can generate images and videos directly inside this workspace. So first, let me add a node. I'm going to create the image first. I've already crafted a prompt for the image, and I'll drop all the prompts in the description box, so make sure to check them out. Let's paste the prompt. Now I need to upload the photo of my character. You can simply upload it from your gallery. I'm going to generate the image in 2K resolution. Now, if you're into AI content creation, you probably know that some models, like Seedance 2, are very sensitive about human reference images. If you use a human reference, your generation might get flagged. But Renoise has a feature called Face Pass. With this feature, you can actually bypass these kinds of flagging issues. I'll show you how to do that. So the image has been generated. Now what you need to do is click the shield icon at the top of the image node. This will add your reference image as a face pass. Once you confirm it, the verification process will take a few minutes. After it gets verified, you'll be able to use that reference image for video generation. Usually, it takes around 1 to 3 minutes. Now let me create a new node for the video. I'm going to use the Seedance 2.0 fast model and select a 10-second duration. I'm pasting the video prompt that I already crafted, and now let's hit the generate button. Within a few minutes, your video should be ready. One of the best things about using the Canvas feature is that you can create multiple AI assets at the same time. It becomes really easy to manage everything because your entire workflow is visible in front of you on a single screen. Another great thing is that once you create a workflow, you can reuse it later. So if you want to create a similar video in the future, you can simply reopen the project and use the same workflow again. You might change a few reference images or prompts, but the overall workflow remains the same, which makes your process much faster. It's also really easy to manage. Just create a new node, write your prompt, and connect it with other nodes. I've tried Canvas features on some other platforms too, but honestly, Renoise Canvas feels much smoother and easier to manage. For example, if I want to use the same image and make the character wear sunglasses, I can easily generate that variation. As you can see, our video is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.